Hello, this is Mitch King with the Tuesday evening, November 24th, 2009 Daily Stock Report. Looking at the Dow 30, and the market's holding up fairly well. It looks like it's poised to make a higher high, and that would mean the bull run is going to extend further without the pullback that I expected. But the market is eventually going to have some sort of pullback. It could be just a few days delayed, but we'll just have to play it as we see it and play the longs out and try to be very selective with these shorts. Let's move on with some short sales that we're currently doing for aggressive investors. Netlist looks like that it's stalled, but it's really not. This is very typical of a bull short pattern. Looking for this to move down into the fives here in the next few trading days, and looking for anywhere from between $4 and $5 to cover a short position in this bull short. And it's hard to tell, but I would say it's going to break 5 sometime next week. Here's that new one that started yesterday from $5.50. Moved up to about $10.50 to $11 yesterday, and today we went up to $12.04, as you can see right here. Looks really good from a daily chart to consider shorting tomorrow if you didn't already today. It's acting excellent. Let's back up for a moment for the intraday. Here is Netlist. Let's back up here and look at the intraday chart of Netlist today. Moved up from it first opened right here at about 642, dropped down to 620, bounced up to 705, very typical of a hot bull short, and came all the way back down to 631. So excellent trade on this one here. If we look on the daily chart of the E-Trades daily chart, again, I just reviewed this. We're looking for this to go under $6 and very possibly under $5 in the next week sometime. Here's the daily chart of SEED, S-E-E-D. The news that ran this one up is that the Chinese government approved the hybrid corn for their use in their country, and at this point this is all on the come and hype. We don't know what kind of sales or orders that China will make, if any, and this is the kind of news that drives these bull shorts. Let's take a look at a 3-minute chart on this stock today. Stock opened at $10.46, $10.45, moved up to almost $12, back down to $10.50. Excellent short position. Some bounce in here, another short. So these are the ones where you want to stay planted on the short side, and you can do some scalping in here. But remember, if you do a lot of scalping, you could be left out of it by giving up your shares if you buy and sell, if your brokerage firm doesn't allow to be long and short the same stock in the same account. Here's a new runner that's probably going to develop into a bull short is SQNM. Went from 320 to 450 today. Very likely to see some carryover on the upside tomorrow. Excellent scalping tomorrow if you see it peak, drop hard, and you can buy that long on the bounce and have a very large percentage profit potential on a intraday scalp. If it doesn't move up to $5.56, then I would say it's just going to be an intraday scalp and not a good bull short. It's got to be over $5 for most brokerage firms to enter a short position. Let's take a look at the intraday chart on this. So I wouldn't call this a bull short. It's really kind of a recovery off the big correction it had a couple months ago, and we really need to see this into the mid to upper fives to be an excellent short. So I'd treat this as a scalp tomorrow. Let it run up here. Possibly can be long, but let it drop. On the first substantial drop that you can see on the 3-minute chart, buy that bottom, go long, try to make some money on the long side for your day traders. So try to keep your position small. Don't get leverage. So you guys take care. I won't talk to you till Sunday night. Have a great Thanksgiving.